warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aditya Putra Bayu. I'm from group D. Okay guys, I'm in here. I will explain about definition plagiarism checker. Definition plagiarism checker is a perfect platform to check paper for plagiarism in order to verify the integrity of the written content. Plagiarism checker are modern tools to detect portion of copied or similar content in everything from research journal to website content. They are extremely fast, accurate, and can work in multiple languages. Plagiarism checker tool is used to check the text without any attribution. Is called plagiarism, whether you mean to do it or not. Plagiarism checker tool is used to check and verify the integrity of the written content. The next, the benefit of using plagiarism checker as follow. First, advantage: if you were not caught, you will make your work easier, faster than it could be done without any mental effort. Easy work to you. It is challenging to find a free plagiarism checker for student, teacher, and article writer, which are not just free but also provide the best result. Number 3, because the software that works behind the plagiarism checker is very costly and takes time to develop. A good plagiarism checker software is the one that not cost you heavily and it is reliable. The next material, Nana Linawati. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Linawati. I'm from the group, and now I will show you about how to use plagiarism checker in the web. Okay, for the first steps is we can click on link on https searchengineersports.net ID plagiarism checker. Okay, you can see in the link. And the second one is you can copy and paste your text into the search box with a maximum of 1000 words per search, or you can upload your document or a text file using the choose file button in here. After that, you can click on the check plagiarism. If the process have done, you can download the report of plagiarism checker. Well, next is about plagiarism checker. We can use the applications of plagiarism checker. It means that you can install the application in the Play Store of or Google Chrome. Here I was install plagiarism checker, and for the first steps how use the plagiarism checker is when you can open the plagiarism checker and then continue After that, you can put your context here, or you can copy and paste here for the plagiarism checker, and then you can load the document and then analyze it. You can click on that. After that, the results of plagiarism will be shown, and in here we can know what the similarities of the text. It means that the plagiarism checker is available. Then we can know the plagiarism checker exam report. We can show the report. After that, we can save, and we can save the plagiarism originally reports. Well, the other way of plagiarism checker is side-by-side comparison. Side-by-side comparison is mean that we can know the source text from the target text, and you can paste your context here in the source text, and then we can know the target of the text. It means that the plagiarism checker is very useful if you wanna see the unique of our text, of our written, like that. And then in here, in menu Quick Research, you can choose comparison method. One method, too many, many to many, or cross comparisons. Which means that we can know more than one about the plagiarism. And the menu of the plagiarism is options. Here we can know the general preference, disable permissions, disable update notifications, and online plagiarism setting. We can enable tolerance highlights, and we can choose the color do you like, and we can browse the plagiarism at Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Windows Default, and Internet Explorer. Okay, I think that's all about the plagiarism tools in this occasions. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anissa Rizky Amreni, a speaker in this group. I want to continue the material. It's explain about some better strategies in plagiarism. Use source with care and respect. First, you must take careful notes so that we will remember where to get the information. Second, keep track of all the source you have used for each paper. Third, cite all of your source in your final work to clarify who said what. By citing source, you can provide background information about source, support your own ideas, illustrate the point you want to make, and show coverage all of the topic. And last, include all of your source in your reference and bibliography section. Well guys, we have already discussed about paraphrase, so we should be able to process the information that we get with our own language. With paraphrase, we can minimize plagiarism because the form of sentence structure is different from other exercising writing reference. It's also important to be able to use Zotero and Mendeley in order to give correct citation and bibliograph. We can also make it according the writing style determine that our campus. That's all from me. If you cannot get the point, you can give question in next section. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dewi Kurniasari, and the next material, there are some better strategies for making your work plagiarism. B. Find out the expression of university, your department, and your teacher. Number 1. Read your student handbook in the regulation and rules section. Under academic studies, you find academic integrity and plagiarism. Number 2. Ask your department for specific citing and referencing guidelines. Number 3. Ask your teacher how much you can work with your classmates on individual of group assignment if you're not clear. If you don't know the difference between cooperation and collusion, the acts. Number 4. Read and understand the Honor Declaration before you sign in. Thank you.
My name is Rimai Klima. I want to explain about Grammarly definition. Grammarly is one of developed AWE program 21st century as an easy tool that can help students and academics on their writing. Grammarly can checking spelling, grammar, punctuation error, providing a comprehensive and much more. Thank you.
Well, I am Erapto Navita. I will continue our material about the more explanation of Grammarly. Grammarly offers two ways for checking process. The first is free checking and the second is premium checking. In free Grammarly, it corrects 150 type of error including spelling, critical grammar, punctuation, and also check writing in an online, email, and social media. Meanwhile, in Premium Grammarly, this program upgrade to check for over 400 feature including vocabulary enhancement, suggestion, plagiarism detection, and citation suggestion. In our view, to establish a process of using Grammarly in English of second language context, especially to writing to learn, an investigation wide range of Grammarly error is required. Grammarly is an online tool for check 400 error or grammar in email, application letter, and assignment. It also track for most frequent and it also with built-in plagiarism checker. Grammarly integrated with your browser and Microsoft Office. Polish your writing on the real on the web, Microsoft Word, and the Manager learning system. Grammarly integrated with plagiarism checker instantly checks Students need to use grammar to adhere the grammatical convention to success in academic writing in university. Grammarly Premium is providing automatic system which can identify error related to 250 grammar rule. User upload their assignment and receive their score. The first score is based on their accuracy. The second score is the number of error that the program has identified. Grammarly organize the error according to 6 aspects. The first is context, contextual, grammar, spelling, sentence structure, style, and vocabulary enhancement. Grammarly was chosen because its potential reconcile contrasting to writing corrective feedback. So, free Grammarly and premium Grammarly is different. In free Grammarly, it correct 150 type of error, including spelling, punctuation, and writing to learn in online email and social media. You can check your grammar or your assignment by free site. But meanwhile, in premium Grammarly, that is proofreading. You can check 250 grammar rules, including vocabulary enhancements, suggestion, citation suggestion, plagiarism detection. In premium Grammarly, that is part of site. Okay, thank you. That's all material from me, and the next material will be continued by other speakers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dia Ayu Paramita. I want to continue the material about how to use Grammarly. Firstly, open your web and go to www.grammarly.com/edu and create your account. Then copy your page word that you want to check and go to the Grammarly with the www.grammarly.com/edu and log into your account. Then you will see the big blank of text box. Then you can paste your page word before that you have to copy. If you would like to check your plagiarism, however, your cursor over the blue Start Review button at the top of page. In the drop-down menu, the first item is plagiarism detection. It is turned off, so you can click on it, then turn it on. Then the Grammarly, click Start Review button. Then Grammarly starts to checking. It will be finished very quickly, usually less than a minute. So that's all for my material. Will be continued by my group. Thank you.
I will explain the next material about the other ways use Grammarly in web. Number 1, create your account or email in library and choose Grammarly. Number 2, click on join your organization. And number 3, sign up for registration by logging Grammarly through your institutional email ID. Number 4, use your account email and password to log in Grammarly. Thank you. The next material will be delivered by Hermawan.
Mau nganter apa emang?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, my name is Hermawan Wibisono. So today I'm gonna tell you how to use Grammarly on your phone. The first step is you have to download Grammarly from the App Store. After you download it, you can open it by click on it, and this is the first screen of Grammarly. You can click on Get Started, and then you can continue with your Facebook, Google, or email. So I prefer using Google because it's much easier. So we can continue with Google. I choose my email here. After you choose your email, the Grammarly will be like this. You can choose your keyboard customization here, keyboarder, or you can add some number row. After you do this, you can chat or write something and you can get the correction. For example, here I want to send a message to Lucky. Hey, how are you? You can check that this is the correctness punctuation. You can check it here if something wrong. And then if something wrong like this, for example, hey, how is you? He will correct your grammar like this. How are you? That's it, guys. How to use Grammarly easily. It's easy enough, right? Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.